India has 2 lakh plus housing societies with crores of residents living in them. Way back in 2009, Adda pioneered the housing society management category in India with a vision of running these mini cities better, along with providing convenient and secure living to its residents. Today, Adda is one of the world's most trusted community management platforms, used across 90 plus cities in India and 6 plus countries including the USA, UAE, Singapore, Oman and Mauritius, also winning recognition like Gartner Category Leader, Best PropTech ERP Awards from Economic Times, World Realty Congress Dubai and many more.
Today we speak with San Banerjee, co-founder and CEO of Adda. After stepping away from a career at SAP, post her MBA from Louisiana State University, she has spent the last 15 years deeply immersed in building solutions, which today is impacting millions living in residential communities across India and the world. She brings in some rare insights which make this conversation worth listening to. Do be with us till the end.
Biggest mistake in early years. Biggest competitor you secretly respect.
Oh, help desk. We didn't realize that our help desk was so damn useful.
Let's come down to my favorite topic, future. Let's talk about what's coming. Work from home is permanent for many people. Indians are spending 10 times more time in the home than they used to before COVID. How should community living evolve? And what would an apartment look like in 2030?
Wow. Really, COVID has done a huge favor to the residential real estate business, because before COVID, we will hear CRE, commercial real estate as a thing. Residential was not what it is today. So 100% agree with that. What will communities be going forward? Communities are more and more becoming these exclusive, a township kind of thing, जहाँ पे आपको बाहर जाने का ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. You have everything inside. You have your shops inside, you have your recreation inside, you have your gym, everything is inside, right? So I think that will continue to happen because governments are not being India mein. Government is not able to catch up with the kind of lifestyle that citizens are asking for. So they are going on building their own heaven within those gates.
True.
Right? So I think that will continue to happen. Other than that, we would see very interesting things like आपने EV charger you were mentioning somewhere. Still, that's a big problem. I don't know आपके society में EV chargers हैं कि नहीं for.
Already start हो गया है.
क्या discussion start हुआ है या लगाना start हुआ है?
नहीं, लगाना start हो गया.
Great, fantastic. Many communities still have not figured this out. कि what do we do? Do we provide common EV chargers? Do we provide EV charger for each slot? Because honestly, how the load will be pulled by the electricity supplier, all these are still many unknowns are there. मतलब इंडिया में क्या हो रहा है? The growth, the whole each individual moving very fast, all other infrastructure is really struggling to catch up. And developers, private developers, real estate is not much different from the government, right? So that is one interesting aspect that we'd have to look at. This is where I think more and more developers, Chintan, and I think you are connected with many developers, they really have to think thoda future कि यार भाई, let's not put all these future problems on the society, let them figure it out.
Right.
Why don't you think about some EV charging? कि कैसे होगा EV charging? People are going to buy EVs. How many developers are right from the day one providing EV charging facilities, right? So these are some aspects that I
Wiring
hope.
वैसे पहले से करके रखी कि जिससे
Yes.
कल जाके वापस you don't have to do the digging and everything again.
Correct. And developers have those resources, they can probably get some
I
consulting.
think design architects play a very big role right now today because they are the ones which मतलब जब पहले बनता है पूरा BOQ, they should start opting के like in next 5 years at least 30% cars will be EV.
Exactly.
तो उसके लिए already कैसे start कर सकते हैं?
Exactly. Yeah, developers may say कि yes, I will spend on this, but it's going to increase my overall cost. Is the owner willing to pay for this दूरदर्शिता जो मैं दिखाऊंगा? You understand?
But I think the person who comes to buy today, San, I feel they are very matured. They want उनको spoon fed product मिले what they want. They don't mind paying. That is what I feel in the markets where I operate major, like Mumbai में काफी markets है. But it makes sense if pre-planning में ही अगर बहुत चीजें integrate हो गया. Do you guys also tie up with developers in the very start before they are launching a project?
Yes, we are tied with some very marquee developers. Embassy, they are the
okay.
largest
Virvanis,
developer
yeah.
in South India. So they've been a very early adopter of technology.
Okay.
And they do certain things beautifully. So with Adda, they have integrated their developers. Their elevators. With Adda, they've integrated their elevators. Matlab, if you are going to meet a guest, you can only, choose their floor. You cannot choose any other floor.
Wow, okay.
So to that level, they have thought about it and providing security boliye, convenience boliye, whatever. So there are these developers who really think about that quality of life, the standard of living, not just the,
True.
tangible part of it, but the intangible too.
And is it like a co-branded do you have a Adda you have a co-branded offering with the developer?
So we have given them their own branded app.
Okay.
So their customers don't use Adda, they use Embassy Residential app.
Okay.
And we power it
Powered
from
by
the
Adda.
back end, yes.
Oh, super. EVs are exploding. You're partnered with Charger for EV charging. CHARZER, Charger, right? Is it the right pronunciation?
I assume, yes.
Solar panels, rainwater harvesting. So societies are now becoming mini cities, smart cities. And sustainability is like the thing and the only way ahead, according to a lot of, real estate analysts. Where does Adda fit in the whole sustainability revolution?
There are, like you said, there's a lot of interesting innovation related to sustainability happening now. And where Adda is key, if you want to integrate whatever you're providing, it can be a EV charging, it can be, your solar related any innovation, and you want to provide it to the verified owners of a community, you can integrate with Adda. राइट तो सोचिए आज आप एक ये स्टार्टअप स्टार्ट करते हैं इट्स फॉर ईवी चार्जिंग जहाँ पे कि द रेसिडेंट इन द सोसाइटी कैन चार्ज दे विल गेट बिल्ड फॉर हाउ मच दे हैव चार्ज राइट नाउ यू वांट दैट बिल टू बी प्रेजेंटेड ऑन अड्डा इटसेल्फ the society needs to give you the blessing ki yes we want to do this with you, we have APIs, they can integrate, right? So what we are doing is that we are creating a kind of a स्टार्टअप डेवलपर नेटवर्क कि आप कुछ भी इनोवेटिव अगर बिल्ड कर रहे हो फॉर अ रेसिडेंशियल कम्युनिटी फॉर विच हमारा जो सेंट्रल रोल है एज इन वी हैव द रेसिडेंट्स की हाँ दे आर वेरीफाइड रेसिडेंट्स एंड ऑल सोसाइटी अलाउज यू टू इंटीग्रेट विद अस वी आर गुड टू गो right? So we kind of become like a Play Store, App Store kind of thing for the community related innovations.
Super. I think AI is everywhere. Even you have done a lot of AI invoice extractor और काफी आपने अभी जो 2-3 चीजें बताया आप लोग का जो अड्डा कर रहा है. Let me ask you a provocative question. Imagine 2035. Will AI take over everything and there will be no need of managing committees? आपको ऐसा लगता है?
2035 is just 10 years from now. And very recently I've seen the AI I was trusting, ChatGPT, hallucinating like anything. मैंने ये question पूछा चिंतन, okay, कि I'm going to be interviewed by an economic student. An economic student wanted to interview me on something. And I want to, talk about Adda. So give me quick snapshot of what you find on the web. AI क्या बोलता है? I said adda.io. Okay, tell me about adda.io. What you find on the web? AI बोलता है Adda is the best edutech company and there's this population within 24 years of age. So the population for edutech is going to be exploding, this, that. I immediately called up our CTO, said, hey, Adda.io का किसी ने हैक कर दिया क्या? I mean, is it showing edutech company और क्या हो रहा है? फिर पता चला it's royally hallucinating, ChatGPT. Because I said an economic student is interviewing me, it just उतना पढ़ के, जैसे कुछ स्टूडेंट जैसे लोग होते हैं ना, आधा क्वेश्चन पढ़ के आंसर देने लग जाते हैं. AI was doing that. उसने आधा ही क्वेश्चन पढ़ा, उसने देखा नहीं Adda.io I have mentioned. It didn't even go look up what is Adda.io. तो उसने उतना पढ़ा इकोनॉमिक स्टूडेंट अड्डा कुछ पढ़ा देयर मे बी सम अड्डा जैसे बैंकर्स अड्डा ऐसा कुछ है दोनों को बना के इट जस्ट हैल्यूसिनेटेड लाइक क्रेजी. आई एम सॉरी आई थिंक वो जो आप बोल रहे हो AI विल टेक ओवर वी आर वेरी फार फ्रॉम दैट.
डिड यू चेक द AI टुडे क्या चिंतन के साथ मेरा इंटरव्यू है?
नहीं
किया?
करना चाहिए, देखना चाहिए.
वो भी देखना है कि ऐसा. Susan, let's have rapid fire. This segment is called past, present, future lightning round. You can answer in one word or one sentence, but it has to be really quick. So San is Adda. Biggest mistake in early years.
Raising funds.
Okay, why?
Pata nahi, I really admire Zoho, you know. What Sridhar Vembu has done, he has built Zoho without, taking any funds at all. I believe if we had this self-realization that we are going to be software only, शायद हमको funds की ज़रूरत भी नहीं पड़ती. We
True.
could have managed with customer revenue right from day one.
Super. One decision you wish you could redo.
No idea.
इतना टाइम नहीं लगेगा, एक तो बोलना ही पड़ेगा, कंपलसरी है.
I don't know. There's
All
so
the decision
many.
were like perfect.
There's so many.
पर एक कोई एक doing this podcast. Third, most ridiculous feature request for 2010.
For 20.
या most ridiculous feature किसी ने request किया होगा ये अड्डा में होना चाहिए.
Yes. Somebody had said कि जो defaulters है ना उनका कार को identify करो और जब कार आधा boom barrier तक आएगा ना तो boom barrier मारो उस पे.
ये actually हुआ था.
हाँ, ये request आया था.
Integrate किया.
Obviously not. So we used to do this 1st April का this thing, okay, and we used to ask users, give us like, features that, आपको लगता है होना चाहिए, बड़ा मजा आएगा type. So we had actually done a 1st April, that जब, back in the day, April Fool was, it was a thing, right? तो हमने ये सारे एक blog post में डाले थे कि what are the features people would love to have.
Interesting. ये कहाँ पे बैंगलोर में था? ये दिल्ली से आया होगा.
नहीं.
अच्छा ये कहाँ से बैंगलोर से आया था? Okay. ये बहुत सीरियस क्वेश्चन है. योर फेवरेट रियल एस्टेट कंटेंट क्रिएटर. थैंक यू. बिगेस्ट कॉम्पिटिटर यू सीक्रेटली रिस्पेक्ट.
Biggest competitor I secretly respect. Competitors वैसे हैं बहुत कम. In USA, there is Yardi. Okay. I would be honored to call ourselves competitor because they've become huge when it comes to real estate software. But for when it comes to their offering to community management, we are a competitor. I really admire. And that's also an Indian origin founder who's built it. And 35 years he has, built this beautiful software that is so heavily trusted by property managers around the world. So a lot of respect.
Super. Feature you wish you built 5 years ago.
Features I wish I built 5 years ago. Oh, help desk. We didn't realize that our help desk was so damn useful. We thought, it was like a ghar ki murgi dal barabar type feature. Hey, big deal, no big technology. But now we are realizing that how useful and, it's a turning point for a lot of communities in the way they understand their own issues. So that's a feature I wish we had highlighted 5 years ago.
Super. सच बताना. Most annoying thing about running Adda today.
Most annoying thing about
Running Adda.
Adda today.
As the CEO, सबसे annoying thing क्या है?
जब ऑफिस में ना पानी नहीं आता है or stuff like that. Like we have multiple offices, right? Wherever it's a serviced office, we have no problem.
Right.
But then there are offices which is not serviced office, and suddenly it's like कहीं पे पानी नहीं आ रहा है और AC काम नहीं कर रहा है. I know our admin team takes care of it, but it bothers me. I want to make sure our employees have no other distraction but focus on building the best software.
True.
So that gets annoying.
Super. Next big feature launching.
Next big, that's a secret. But it's something that will unlock new revenue streams for communities without playing with resident data.
Wow. You hear it first on this podcast.
Absolutely.
One trend you are betting on.
One trend I'm betting on. That AI will not kill SaaS, software as a service.
ये होने नहीं वाला है, but if Adda doesn't exist in 2035, why did it fail?
Because the founders lost interest.
ये तो नहीं लग रहा है, तो मतलब full
That can be the only
Adda का टी-शर्ट भी पहनते हैं full time.
That can be the only reason. Nothing else can stop it.
Final question, this is the big one. आपने 15 साल अड्डा को दिए हैं, इतने कोई मैरिजेस भी आजकल नहीं टिक रहे, और 15 साल के बाद you and Venkat are chilling on a beach. So what you want yourself to be remembered as in that phase?
I would like to see these skylines, सोचिए मुंबई का skyline, all these high rises, right? I would like to think that these may not have been happy communities if Adda did not exist, if Adda did not start this whole community management software system segment where many will come. I'm sure we're not going to be the only players. Existing players are not going to be the only players. There'll be many who will innovate. But I would be so proud to think we were one of the pioneers to make that skyline happen at the end of the day, right? So it's not just us, of course, you are part of the, development and everything, but we are also having a hand in that. So,
True.
yeah.
I had a great time chatting with you about Adda, about how things were, how things are, and how things maybe will be. बहुत मजा आया आपसे बात करके.
Same
And
here,
please
Chintan.
मुंबई आते रहो. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
My beautiful guest. Thank you so much. Let us know how do you find this episode, and if you have any questions, do write us in the comments below. Thank you so much.
Thank you.